So how do you calculate the mass of khc8h4o4 that reacts with 15 milliliters of NaOH solution? So I have khc8h4o4 plus NaOH. And I have some type of molar mass. It's going to react with some type of volume of NaOH here. So let's figure this out. So what I'm going to have here is I have here, this is 0.15 milliliters here. So let's see. I believe this is some type of acid here. Yeah, there's some type of acid here. So although the answer is asking us the concentration of NaOH here, which is kind of odd, because we're not given the molarity here. So, but they're saying that we're going to multiply this volume by the molarity. So I don't know if we're given the molarity here, which is 0.15. Because we're given our volume here, which is 50 milliliters. So we can change that to liters, which is fine here. But we're not given our molarity here. I think they're mixing up molarity with our volume here. So that's probably not a good thing here. But I don't think we have actually enough information to solve this problem, because if we have our mass here, we have our mass here, molar mass, and our moles here, right? And we're given our molar mass, which is 204.44 grams per mole. But we need to be given some type of moles here for us to solve this problem here. We need to give moles here, and we could have volume and concentration as well. And this would have been 15 milliliters would have been 0.015 liters, right? So in order for us to solve for moles, we need to either get the concentration here, or we need to get the moles here from some type of mass or something like that here. So in this case, we actually don't have enough information to solve for this problem unless we're given the molarity here. So in this case, it says here 0.15 moles per 1 liter here. So they assumed that this here was the concentration, which I don't think is the case here, because it's 15 milliliters of NaOH solution. So let me just scroll down here and figure out what they're doing here. And yeah, they assumed, because they assumed this was the concentration, they will obviously get this here as the molar mass. So this solution is actually incorrect, because I don't know the molarity, and I actually can't solve for this problem here because I'm not given the concentration of the NaOH here. So the solution is incorrect. Cannot solve for this problem because I am not given the molarity of NaOH here. Concentration of NaOH is needed to solve for the moles, which then can solve for the mass of khc8h4o4. So this solution here is incorrect, because again, I need some type of relationship between mass and molar mass to find moles, or concentration and volume to find moles, and I'm not given the mass of either of them or the concentration of either of them as well. So this is not a solvable solution or question.